Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many students are eager to explore: how to make money online as a student. Whether you need extra cash for textbooks, living expenses, or just want some financial independence, there are plenty of options available. Let's get started. As a student, managing finances can be challenging. But with the power of the internet, there are numerous ways to earn money without interfering with your studies. Today, I'll share some practical and flexible online jobs that can fit around your busy schedule. The number one is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best ways to make money online. It allows you to use your skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or even social media management. The question is where to start. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find gigs. Create a strong profile showcasing your skills and start bidding on projects. Benefits of freelancing are: you can set your own hours and choose projects that interest you, making it a flexible option for students. The second one is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider online tutoring. There's a high demand for tutors in subjects like math, science, and languages. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com connect you with students who need help. You can work from home and set your own schedule, making it easy to balance with your classes. The third one is taking online surveys. Participating in online surveys is a simple way to earn some extra cash. Companies like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for your opinions on various topics. You can complete surveys in your spare time, making it a low-effort option. The fourth one is affiliate marketing. If you have a social media following or a blog, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative option. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Owen to find products that align with your audience. The fifth one is selling products online. Consider selling products online, whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or even your old textbooks. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace are excellent for reaching potential buyers. Ensure your listings are appealing and well described to attract more customers. Conclusion: there you have it. These are just a few ways to make money online as a student. The key is to choose something that aligns with your skills and interests, allowing you to earn while managing your studies effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money and managing your student life. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your money-making journey.